morning, students. I, JVN Himanshu Suraya, Jyoti Vidyapit Women's University, Department of Science and Technology. Today, I will discuss Session 2, Measure of Information, Information Theory and Coding. Before starting Measure of Information, last day I have discussed about information. What is information, types of information, and data and information. It means relation between data and information. Today I will discuss measure of information. How to measure information? It means there are one formula included. So let me discuss. Let us consider a communication system which transmit M1, M2 and M3 messages and Mn messages, different messages with probability occurrence P1, P2, P3 and so on. It means for M1, for message 1 probability is P1, for message 2 its probability is P2, for message 3 probability is P3. So amount of information transmitted through the message Mk with probability of Pk is given as, this is the formula of amount of information. Amount of information is Ik equals to log 2 bracket में 1 upon Pk. This is the formula of amount of information. It means log 2 1 upon Pk equals to log base of 10 1 upon Pk divided by log 10 base 2. Unit of information bits, because its base is 2. There are some properties of messages. If receiver knows the message being transmitted, information carried is 0. If I1 is the information carried by message M1 and I2 is the information carried by message M2, then amount of information carried combinedly, it means I1 plus I2. Total information is M1 and M2 is I1 plus I2. Now let we consider some examples how to solve measure of information, how to understand. First example, calculate the amount of information digits occur with equal likelihood in binary PCM. We know that in binary PCM there are two binary levels, only two binary levels, 0 level or 1 level, 0 level and 1 level. It means here only two messages 1 and 0 or both are equally likelihood. It means P1 0 level and P2 is 1 level. Equal likelihood probability is equals to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 for P1 and 1 by 2 for P2. So amount of information is I1 equals to log 2 1 upon P1. This is the formula of amount of information. Value of P1 equals to 1 by 2. So I1 equals to log 2 2. I1 equals to 1 bit. Similarly, I2 equals to log 2 1 upon P2. I2 equals to log 2 2 because P2 equals to 1 by 2. I2 value is 1 bit. It means equal likelihood I1 value equals to 1 bit and I2 equals to also 1 bit. Another example, if I1 is the information carried by message M1 and I2 is the information carried by message M2, then prove that the amount of information carried compositely due to M1 and M2 is I1, 2 equals to I1 plus I2. We know that amount of information equals to Ik equals to log 2 1 upon Pk for message M1, for message M2, I1 for message M1 and I2 for message M2. So I1 equals to log 2 1 upon P1 and I2 equals to log 2 1 upon P2. I1 comma 2 equals to log 2 1 upon P1 P2 because log M plus n equals to log m into n. So log 2 1 upon P1 multiplied by 1 upon P2. This is the expansion of this. And formula of log m cross n equals to log m plus log n. So log 2 1 upon P1 and log 2 1 upon P2 is the expansion of this formula. And finally I1 comma 2 equals to, this is the I1 and this is for to I2. So finally result is I1 comma 2 equals to I1 plus I2. Thank you.